Wabo wie wabava wabota kere no wayage iwemina. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching this Bini learning training. I am Uwaila Novine, your host, and I want to believe you have been getting so much value from this video. Whether you are a returning subscriber or you are a new subscriber, you are so much welcome. You may want to go to other videos that we have made in the past so that we can be on the same page. What if you also need a personal coach for yourself, for your kids? We are available for that. Just reach out to us through the contact, the number that is showing on your screen right now, and we'll be able to work with you on your preferred time. All right. So today we are talking about the ways and opposites. Where you have man, you have woman, you have big, you have small. So we are going to be looking at that in the Bini language. Okay, so stay tuned, sit tight, and let's go right into it. If you have not subscribed, please give us that subscription. Emekevodan, lao, enter, ladian, come out, gahian, be going, gade, be coming, igbina, fight, iku, play, ezo, quarrel, ofumegbe, peace. Temu, lift it up. Moyoto, bring it down. Tota, sit. Mudia, stand. Ena, today. Ahwe, tomorrow. Ose, friend. Arian, enemy. Okbia, man. Ohuo, woman. Avan, day. Ason, night. Okay, hill. Ugborodo, valley. Northwa, white. Nehui, black. Awemoma, love. Osono, hate. Ororo, joy. Obalo, pain. Onyeme, happiness. Ohu, sadness. Nohwa, heavy. Nowere, light. Imose, beauty. Ihorion, ugly. Oore, lie. Emata, truth. Efe, riches. Use, poverty. Rien, sweet. Ria, bitter. Thank you guys. Bye.